Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here unboxing Ever Sassy.
Welcome lovelies. Well, it's a big box and I think there's quite a bit in it.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, I think so. I haven't seen it yet.
Well, why is it such a big box?
They're all big boxes. So Ever Sassy is a line that we carry for quite a few years now. Designed in Montreal and made in Turkey.
Yeah.
Beautiful collection. And they always trickle in through the season. So this is a little capsule for their spring-summer collection.
Nice price point too, eh?
Yeah, really nice. But look at you.
I know.
I know.
I feel pretty snazzy.
You look snazzy. She always looks snazzy.
I love these new pants, you know, from...
I know. I have the skirt. And I think you would love the pants.
Yeah, I love the pants.
I love the skirt.
It's from Osai & Co. I love it.
The fabric's wonderful.
Yeah.
It goes with everything. But I love this color on you.
Nice, eh?
Yeah. Oh, and look at the earrings. You matched it perfectly. Look at you.
I know.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love the colors. Okay, what about me? She's like, okay, on with the show. I love this dress.
Yeah, this dress is beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my
It's so fun. And look at the Luxus to go with it.
So nice. And then this little cover up.
And then this is the Olympica, ladies.
Yeah.
See? Like, it's just everything.
Yeah.
It's the perfect hang.
It's fantastic.
It's a little bit shorter in the front.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Can go with all these dresses.
Yeah.
So.
And your earrings? Oh my.
I know.
Wow.
I know.
Great,
The
Tessa.
posts. We don't have a lot of posts,
no,
but they're quite stunning, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
All right, shall we?
Yeah, let's.
Now we can get to it. We talked about my outfit too. All right, what do we have here? Ooh.
What?
Look at these.
Oh my goodness. What?
Linen, ladies. Linen is coming.
Oh, and a nice weight.
What a gorgeous print, though, hey?
Yes.
Look at the watercolors in that.
Oh my goodness.
And chartreuse and purple and
Oh
taupe.
my.
I love purple.
Little dot of red there.
Little dot of red.
So cute.
And they're cute. Look at, they got a little
with the
elastic at the bottom.
Cuff.
Great
Awesome.
band. I bet you those are going to fit fabulous.
Yeah, and nice pockets in the side seam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Very
What
nice.
What a classy
Wow.
print.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. And another one from the print.
Oh,
What is
a
this?
duster.
Oh.
We love dusters.
A one-button duster.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at that. That's going to
A
be
little
fabulous.
Mandarin collar, yeah.
Yeah, and then look at the thick. So if you
Slits.
flip it up, it's the same fabric in there. They've
Beautiful.
lined it. They've lined the cuff, ladies. Nice thick cuff here. So if you want to flip it, you have the fabric showing as well, which is a great look. Look at that, Mom.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Look at that Mandarin collar.
I love it.
I love it.
Oh.
Those are beautiful colors together,
Yeah,
hey?
what a great pattern. So lovelies, if you watched yesterday's video, the couch talk, I did how to take care of linen, how to learn how to love linen if you don't like it. And this is beautiful, a beautiful quality of linen. It's a heavier weight. It's no wrinkles whatsoever.
No.
Love.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
That over your pants, Mom.
Yeah.
See, look how great all these lines
Totally.
intermingle with the fabrics.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This would be stunning over that.
Over anything black, right?
Yeah,
with your
but
black skinny skirt.
the skinny skirt.
Oh, my
nice, have that, pencil on the bottom with that nice jacket.
Totally. Yeah.
That is not gonna. This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
I can't even. The fabric is just the print. What is this?
Oh, a little tunic.
Oh, so Ever Sassy does that often. Where, so ladies, a lot of you may have this shape, this body, this pattern in other. We had it in taffeta
From last year.
Yeah, from seasons before.
Yeah.
And then it has the collar here with the wire in it,
Yeah.
if you can remember. But now it's out of this gorgeous linen print. Like how beautiful is that?
Like you could wear this dress with a long tank and leggings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it opens up at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Or with these black pants.
Yeah.
Sure.
With a little tank.
Oh, beautiful.
Or a little sleeve if you want a cap sleeve. And here is some black pants.
Oh, some beautiful black
Oh, look at this fabric.
Yes.
These are super cool.
Oh, I love them.
Nice thick elastic band. That's
Yeah,
really nice, ladies.
nice.
It's slimming and then it doesn't dig in and it kind
And
of...
then this zipper, so cute. Nice and straight,
Yeah.
right? In
So there you go.
reinforced cuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
So this over that.
And then they have, ooh, a taupey color, Mum.
Oh, nice.
Look at with the black contrast.
How cool.
That's super cool.
That is so
You would look
cool.
fabulous in this color.
Yeah.
Hey?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah, with black, right?
Yeah.
Black or white?
Black or
Yeah.
white.
Beautiful.
Let's see here. We have, ooh.
Oh,
What is
my. Oh, that's beautiful. We had
A
something
jacket.
similar last year and they flew.
Oh, they
remember?
sold out right away. Yeah.
Yeah, with the dome.
Yeah.
These have domes
This-
too? Yeah. Oh,
A high-low, little high-low.
Little high
Let me hold
strap.
it up. Yeah, little
Yeah,
high.
yeah.
Gorgeous. Little hood. Very fun. And then same
oh,
in the taupe.
nice. Yeah.
Gorgeous. Wow, mix and match those together.
So you could do
Be
this.
fabulous.
This would be a whole outfit.
Yeah.
And you wear a black tank underneath. Or,
Gorgeous.
You know.
Yeah.
Or this with these pants.
Yeah.
Here,
Here, do something.
help me out here.
She's like struggling.
Here, because and
Oh,
then you
the
do
black,
this
and
with
then
the
you have the black
zipper.
zippers.
How cool is
Very
that?
cool.
Big black sandals,
Yeah. Awesome.
and then this.
Your new army shoes, maybe. Hey, they
Oh,
would even
yeah.
work.
Or this Tessa with the black pants, right? This
Yeah.
jacket.
Very cool. And you could mix the
Yeah.
black pants with the linen.
And also for traveling, this fabric.
Absolutely.
You roll it in a little ball and you are good to go.
So cute. I can't wait to
Yeah.
see these on.
Yeah,
Fabulous.
beautiful.
All right, and you're going to
Okay.
style them up. I think this calls Lousje's name. Hey?
For sure.
You could
I
style
can't
these
wait.
up amazing. All right, ladies, there's our little capsule from Ever Sassy. We're so excited to intermingle it into the boutique, like we said, with these pants as well. Watch out, Lousje's going to style these up for you.
Can't
She's
wait.
excited.
Quite a few different combinations you can do with these.
Yeah.
You know. Hope you like this segment and you are as excited as we are about the clothes, but also about spring coming.
Yeah.
I am so ready for it
Yeah.
because we had some nice days and then we got smacked on the head again
A little
because
cold.
it isn't spring yet.
No.
The weather gods were saying to us. So anyway, it will come
Get
soon.
into the garden soon.
Yeah.
I can't wait
Yeah.
either.
Did you see all the garden centers are already putting their stuff?
Are they?
All their soils and their, you know,
Getting ready.
before we know it. We'll
Well, it's always Mother's Day, I find, no?
Yeah, oh yeah, when you
Which
can buy
feels
the
like a while
flowers.
away.
But Tessa, you can already start mulching and stuff and things like that. You can't plant yet, but that's what they're all putting out, right?
Yeah, just getting ready. Gear
Yeah.
up. Clean them up.
Better start saving our pennies because we always spend a lot.
Yeah, we do.
I
That's
can't.
nice.
I can't stop buying at a garden center.
No, I know. You know what? Your garden. I don't think she's going to work here next year, ladies, because when she gets into her new house, she is going to be gone every day. Sometimes I have to say to her, "Mom, don't come in today. What are you doing here?" And she says, "Oh, no." But wait till she moves. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. She'll be in her garden all day.
You have to
Every
hire another
day.
video star.
Another video star. Applications, ladies. No one can replace you. All right, ladies.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Please hit the thumbs up if you liked our video. We'll see you tomorrow.
Keep on smiling.